Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to find best time to post on a Facebook page. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, you have to open this URL business.facebook.com/creatorstudio/home, then hit enter. After that, you will jump into Facebook Creator Studio homepage, and from here you have to select your Facebook page. So right now I'm gonna selecting this page from here. Now click on Insights and now click on Audience and click on Total Followers and scroll down to the bottom, and here we can see when your followers are on Facebook. All times are recorded in Pacific time. Some of this date may be delayed. Okay, in this chart we can see in 12 a.m. 97 followers online, and 1 a.m. 93 followers online. And so from this chart we can easily find out the best time to post on our Facebook page. For my page, 5 p.m. will be the best time to post. So here we can see 5 p.m. 848 followers online, and 6 p.m. 60 followers online, and 8 increasing hourly. This is how we can find best time to post on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.